Please check the space between thumb finger and index finger. A thick line drawn with the sketch pen. Pencil should always touch this thick line in dynamic tripod. From the top, thumb finger and index finger should be take control like this. From down, third finger should support. Now about fourth and fifth finger should bend little down towards the third finger like this. Now this is dynamic tripod grip. You have to hold 2 centimeters from the tip of the lead of pencil. Then only movement may support. And at the bottom of the fifth finger, you can see the palm bottom. It should touch the base to write comfortably. And this dynamic tripod grip is used by most of the people since from the ancient ages. This grip is very useful. At the same time, it gives you proper structure, speed and control. And for a longer time writing, for a longer period of writing, it is very useful compared to other grips. Even other grips are also very good, it's not like that, but I always encourage my students to follow this grip. This grip is very good for cursive handwriting. While practicing dynamic tripod grip, few students faced the problem with the third finger, fourth finger and fifth finger. I did something new with the rubber bands, eraser and crayon, and it is worked for me. I want to share with you. Let's see. Support third, fourth, fifth finger. We need one pencil, 2 small rubber bands which may fit our fingers. Firstly, we have to take one rubber band which is in yellow in color. We have to place in this way. Then red is for pencil. 2 times we have to rotate like this. Then we have to knock that yellow rubber band slowly like this way. So little with patience. Knocking is very important. Very patiently. Yes, slowly, patiently. Yes, after knocking like this. Yes. Now double rubber band gripper is ready. Now this is very good for third finger. Now insert the third finger in that yellow band like this and place the pencil at between thumb finger and index finger where we have seen that sketch pen thin line. So it should touch that one. It should touch that space between the thumb and point index finger. So let's see how it will work. Now the pencil is touching that space. Now yes. Now we are placing thumb finger and index finger. It should be 2 centimeters from the tip of the lead, that grip, and rubber band should be at 3 centimeters from the tip of the pencil. For fourth and fifth finger, we have to use used eraser and crayon, whichever is comfortable for you. Only one we have to use, either crayon or used eraser, whichever is comfortable. So the bottom of the fifth finger and palm should touch. So that makes difference while writing. Comfortably folding the fourth and fifth finger, then no need to use any crayon or eraser. Palm bottom and fifth finger bottom should touch the paper. That's very important. And this is third finger supporting double rubber band grip with eraser and crayon. Use only old crayon and eraser. Points to be keep in your mind when you are doing this. Always a pencil or pen should touch the space between thumb finger and index finger, which is colored in the video with sketch pen with the blue color. And you have to take grip which should measured from tip of the pencil lid or tip of the pen nib, and band gripper should be placed on the pencil or pen. It should be measured from tip or nib for 3 centimeters. Then only grip is going to be very comfortable. These things only for 2 to 5 days, if possible 6 days, not more than that. These are only for support. 3 days or 2 days you will feel without them you can write. Then remove them and write by yourself. Don't be dependent on these things. Thank you. A. Madhu Gaud, a cursive handwriting tutor, and my channel, Unique Cursive Handwriting Learning Channel. See you with another videos. Thank you for watching.